You should come to ageRejvuenation if you're experiencing brain fog, if you're experiencing fat gain that you don't understand even though your habits haven't changed, if you have poor sleep, if your libido has changed, your sex drive. We can generally find natural alternatives that are more successful interventions than the pharmaceuticals that they've been pushing for longer than I've been alive. The first step for us is treating you as an individual and doing a comprehensive blood panel to see what's going on under the hood. Hormones are usually the first thing we'll look at. There's usually some benefit to be had there with hormone optimization, but peptides are a fantastic solution if someone either is or is not interested in hormones. What I love that ageRejvuenation does is it focuses on the whole person, both guys and girls. It's generally not just hormones, it's not just gut health, it's not just genetics, it's not just stress hormones. It's all of this combined with lifestyle, exercise, etc. So we don't ignore any of that. It's all part of our treatment plans. You know, there's so much we can do, whether you're realizing this is important at 30 years old or I'm seeing you when you're 85. The best investment you can make is into your own health. The biggest problem is momentum. We're always either building momentum in one direction or the other. The first step is the most important step. So I'd love you to come down to ageRejvuenation, any of our local clinics. We'd love to see you, we'd love to take care of you.